Hello dear students, good morning. Today I am explaining how to run Python in your mobile. Okay, so first you install this app. Okay, it is a QPython 3L in your mobile phone from Play Store. Then today I am showing the basic Pythons. Okay, and here I am showing the variables and its value, how to insert the variable and values. Previously in previous class I explained there are different types of variable in Python, just like number types or character types. In number type also having two types, integer and float or real number, and character types is a multi-line or single line string types variable. So now let's start with our class. It is a Python icon. Okay, it is a Python icon. We just click it. Now it's open. It is a Python background. So today I am showing it in scriptive mode or interactive mode. It's called console. So we just click on here and Python read some file, and after that the Python prompt three arrows are there. It is a Python icon, and here we just insert the value, just like I am inserted here one number 56. Then press enter. Immediately Python read it and interpret it and give the results. Suppose I am inserting the decimal value, so Python interpreter read it, interrupt it, and immediately give the output. And if you want to insert the characters, so how we will insert? We just use double quotation, and inside the double quotation we write the word. Suppose I am written here hello space world, then closing the double quotations. Now Python read it and give immediately the results. Okay, and now we just assign the value inside the variable. Yes, all these are the values. We directly give the values, but if we want to do some calculation, so we need a variable. On there we just store the value. So look at how we will store. Suppose here I am taken one variable x, and using assignment operator or equal to operator, and here we just give the value, then enter. Look at here, interpreter is not giving the immediately result. It is just store the value into the variable. Then again, if you want to access the value of variable, we just call function print. Print is predefined functions in Python library. We just call this function on here. Then print opening bracket and give the name of variable, suppose x, and then closing. When I press the enter key, it show the value of the variable x. Okay, now same thing we just do in real and characters. Now again I am explaining how to insert the multiples value in a single line. Suppose I am creating variable x equal to 5, and immediately I want to give the second value of in second variable. So for that we are using one specific operators dot and comma. It's called colon. Okay, then here we just take second variable and assignment operator, and again we give the value, then press enter. Okay, it's okay. So that's why Python not give the any error, because it's a valid. So if you want to access that values, so using again print function, then name of variable x comma y. If we call any functions and access different value of the variable, we use comma. Then I am pressing the enter key. It immediately show the results, the value of x and y. Suppose I want to interchange their value, or either we are inserted the value using comma operator. Suppose it is a second way, j comma k, okay, then equal to 2 comma 3, okay. It's also okay. Either the second way, it is a first way, x equal to 5, then colon y equal to 6, and the second way we just use j comma k equal to 2 comma 3. It has automatically assigned the value 2 in the j and 3 into the k, okay. Suppose if I want to change its value, so for that what we are doing, j comma k equal to k comma j. Look at what happened. Print opening bracket j comma k, then closing bracket and enter key. Look at here, value will be changed. First value I am assigning in j 2 and k 3, but if I am changing it with the help of this statement, look at this statement, it is changed the value of j into the k and k values into j. So the after this line, the value of j is 3 and the value of k is 2, okay. So these types of, we can just exchange the value of the different variables. Then after I just show the some calculations. Suppose I want to do the additions, subtractions, multiplications, division in Python. For that purpose what we are doing, we are take one value a equal to 6. It assign the values 6 into the a. Then after I take the second value b equal to 9, okay. Then enter key, c equal to a plus b, then enter key, okay. This function is also okay, that's why Python does not show any error. So c equal to a plus b. Then here we just again the call print function, then opening bracket name of variable and close it, then press enter key. Immediately it's give the result 15. Now the second way to use the print methods with and give some additional information. For that we are using, just call the print function, then opening bracket, then double quotation, and here we just give a simple message, addition of two number, okay. Then double quotation close, then after we just use the comma, and here we call the c and close the bracket and press enter key. Look it, some additional information is also print addition of two number 15. So these types of string, if we are enter in print functions, it show in the to the users to give the information what exactly we have to do, okay.